Good morning. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the climate change and the impact on your health. So when you think of climate change, we imagine melting ice caps and wildfires. But what about your health? How it's impacting everybody's health? Rising temperatures, air pollution, extreme weather are already damaging our lungs, hearts, and overall well-being. Today, let's explore some climate change directly affecting your health and what can you do to protect yourself. So, air pollution, number one, and respiratory health. Air pollution is responsible for 7 million premature deaths worldwide each year, according to WHO. Fine particles penetrate deep into lungs, causes asthma, flare-up, COPD, lung cancer. Children, elderly, and people with pre-existing conditions, they are most vulnerable. Urban smog, wildfire smoke, which is quite common in California. Recently, we had a fire which expanded to about 100 miles square in SLO County and Santa Barbara County. So those smokes caused lots of flare-up in asthma patient. I got to see a bunch of patients. It's a direct impact I can see. Vehicle emissions are also huge, big contributors. Extreme heat and heart health. Heat waves is increasing in frequency and severity. Heat stress causes dehydration, strain on your kidney. So if you have any kidney issue, it's gonna get worse. And cardiovascular collapse. Lots of people get dehydrated, and if they're on a bunch of medication, have a history of heart failure or heart problem, they are more vulnerable to have flare-ups of different kinds. People with the heart disease, outdoor workers, and low-income populations are at highest risk. Heat also worsens air quality and creating a double impact. What about infectious disease? Warmer temperature expand habitats for mosquitoes and ticks, causing dengue, malaria. Lyme disease is spreading into new regions as well. Floods and hurricane increase waterborne infection like cholera. Mental health and climate anxiety. Extreme weather disaster lead to PTSD, depression, anxiety. Eco-anxiety is now recognized as in younger generation worried about the planet's future. What you can do: individual protection, air filters, indoors, mask on high pollution days. There are apps you can use to check out the air quality, allergens content, and air pollution itself. And Make sure that you hydrate yourself when it's really warm days. Community support, creating a green spaces, renewable energy, and better public transport so you're less exposed to heat. Doctors are advocating now climate smart medicine, where they're anticipating heat, pollution, and allergy related health problems, and they brace themselves with extra resources to help those patients. For example, in some area there's a fire breakout, and climate smart medicine basically let them prepare themselves for increased influx of patients with asthma flare up and allergies and COPD flare up. Climate change isn't just about the planet; it's about people. Ultimately, it's about shaping our lungs, our hearts, our mental health. Protecting ourselves means personal precautions and collective action, because politician is not going to do anything much about it. So it's come to individual level what you can do to protect yourself. Healthier planet equals healthier people, and I think the more we are proactive, better it is for us. Thank you for watching.